Welcome back to EV Horizon, everyone. If you're into electric vehicles that don't just look the part but actually deliver on rugged performance, then you're in for a treat today because we're taking a comprehensive look at the 2022 Bollinger B2 electric pickup truck. This American-made powerhouse combines innovative engineering with old-school toughness, and I'm going to break down everything from its bold exterior to the practical interior, impressive performance capabilities, and of course, the pricing details. So buckle up and let's dive right in without any further delay. First up, the exterior of the Bollinger B2 is unapologetically boxy and built like a tank, drawing inspiration from vintage military vehicles and kit cars for that no-frills, ready-for-anything vibe that makes it stand out immediately. Measuring 207.5 inches in length with a generous 139-inch wheelbase and 77.2 inches wide, not counting the mirrors that bring it to 89 inches, this truck commands attention wherever it goes on the road or off it. The entire body is crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum mounted on a traditional body-on-frame chassis, ensuring it can handle the toughest conditions without flinching at all. Sharp angles define its silhouette perfectly, complemented by raised strips running along the cargo area for added structural integrity and strength. One of the standout features is the incredible 15 inches of ground clearance, achieved through innovative geared portal axles at each corner. This setup, paired with a self-leveling suspension system, allows the B2 to maintain stability even when loaded with its full 5,000-pound payload capacity without any compromise. Removable doors, roof panels, and windshield add incredible versatility, letting you strip it down for open-air adventures or extreme off-roading experiences. There's even an optional all-glass roof for those who want a sky view without sacrificing the tough look one bit. The pickup bed starts at a practical 72 inches long but can extend dramatically to over 8 feet by opening the rear cab wall and removing the rear seats completely. Plus, a novel pass-through system creates a tunnel from the rear all the way through to the front, making it easy to haul long items like lumber or pipes securely inside the vehicle. And for water crossings, this beast can ford up to 3 feet deep without any issues whatsoever, limited only by the driver and some dashboard components. It's clear the designers prioritized function and durability above all else in the B2's exterior styling and overall construction. Now, stepping into the interior, the Bollinger B2 keeps things straightforward and focused on utility rather than flashy luxury features that you might expect in other vehicles. The cabin is designed to seat 4 passengers comfortably, skipping the center rear seat to accommodate that full-length pass-through tunnel which connects the front trunk directly to the bed for hauling extra long cargo without any hassle at all. Those rear seats are fully removable, transforming the space into even more cargo room when you need it most during work or adventures. Up front, there's an 8.6 cubic foot trunk providing additional storage options that many traditional trucks simply lack entirely. The door pulls are a quirky highlight, made from salvaged wood sourced from old church pews, giving a unique artisanal touch to the otherwise industrial feel of the space. Dashboard air vents resemble perforated cylinders that look straight out of a machine gun barrel shroud, adding to the anti-design, military-inspired aesthetic that screams capability from every angle. Everything inside is built tough and simple, with the 120 kWh battery pack positioned low and safe in the chassis too. Maintain a low center of gravity for better handling on and off the road in all conditions. No massive touchscreens or over-the-top infotainment here, it's all about getting the job done efficiently in this no-frills environment designed for real users. When we talk performance, the 2022 Bollinger B2 truly shines with its dual electric motor setup delivering class-leading power in an off-road package like no other. With one motor mounted at each axle for seamless all-wheel drive, it produces a combined 614 horsepower and an impressive 668 pound-feet of torque available instantly at the wheels. This translates to blistering acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour from a standstill in just 4.5 seconds, while the top speed is electronically limited to 100 miles per hour for safety. The 2-speed transmission with high and low range gearing ensures optimal performance whether you're cruising highways or tackling steep trails with ease. Powered by a robust 120 kWh lithium-ion battery, the B2 offers an estimated 200 miles of real-world range, which is solid for a heavy-duty truck of this size and weight class. Recharging is efficient too, taking around 10 hours on a standard level 2220 volt charger or just 75 minutes with a DC fast charger to go from empty to full quickly. Towing capacity reaches 7,500 pounds when properly equipped, and with a 5,000-pound payload, it's a genuine workhorse that rivals traditional gas trucks in capability without the emissions. The off-road prowess is unmatched thanks to that high clearance and suspension, making the B2 perfect for construction sites, farms, or weekend trail runs anywhere you need it. Wrapping up with the prices, the Bollinger B2 carries a starting MSRP of $125,000, which places it firmly in premium territory for electric pickups on the market today. This investment buys you unparalleled versatility, American engineering innovation, and a vehicle that's truly built to last in demanding environments year after year. Sure, it might seem steep compared to some other options out there, but for buyers who value ruggedness, unique features like the pass-through and removable panels, and zero-emissions operation, the value is definitely there in spades. Production plans had some shifts back in 2022, but the specs remain compelling for anyone looking at this EV pioneer on the horizon of electric trucks. That's my full detailed review of the 2022 Bollinger B2 electric pickup truck in all its glory. What do you think? Is this the tough EV truck you've been waiting for all this time? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe to EV Horizon for more in-depth electric vehicle reviews coming soon to your screen. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode right here.